In every petal, a story hides. Welcome to Once Upon a China.
The world once moved in quiet harmony. Each morning, a single sun would rise, painting the sky with soft gold. Each evening, it would sink beyond the horizon, allowing darkness to rest upon the earth like a gentle blanket. Farmers knew when to plant, rivers knew when to swell, and children knew when to sleep. This was the rhythm of life. High above the mortal world lived 10 sons, celestial beings, brothers born of the heavenly emperor. They were not simple spheres of fire, but living spirits, each carrying divine light and ancient power. Their duty was sacred. One sun would rise each day, while the others rested in the celestial mulberry tree beyond the sky. But eternity is long, and curiosity often grows into rebellion. One day, the 10 sons wondered what it would feel like to rise together. Just once, they thought. Just to see the world bathed in endless light. What harm could it do? So they rose. All 10 at once. At first, the world shimmered in unbearable brilliance. Then the brightness turned to pain, and pain turned to destruction. The land cracked open like broken pottery. Fields turned to dust before seeds could sprout. Forests burned until the air itself smelled of sorrow. Rivers evaporated into ghosts of mist. Animals collapsed in the shade that no longer cooled them. People covered their faces with cloth, digging into the earth like frightened creatures of the night, whispering prayers into the ground. There was no dawn. There was no dusk. Only fire. From his palace in the heavens, the heavenly emperor watched in silence. He had given his sons light, but they had forgotten restraint. The order of heaven and earth was collapsing, and the cries of mortals reached even the silent stars. A decision had to be made. That was when Hou Yi was summoned. Hou Yi was known among mortals and immortals alike. He was not born a god, yet he walked with the strength of one. His archery was legendary not because he sought glory, but because he sought precision, balance, and responsibility. He believed every arrow carried consequence, and every action carried weight. When Hou Yi stepped beneath the burning sky, the heat pressed upon him like an ocean of fire. His armor grew hot, his breath grew heavy, but his eyes remained steady. He raised his voice to the suns. He told them of the suffering below. He told them of the rivers that had vanished, of the farmers who had fallen to their knees, of children who no longer knew the coolness of night. He asked them to return to their celestial order. The sons laughed. They had never felt cold. They had never known fear. They did not understand limits. Hou Yi closed his eyes. He knew that persuasion had failed. And he knew that hesitation would doom the world. He lifted his bow. The first arrow left his hand like a streak of thunder. It pierced the blazing sky and struck the first sun. A divine scream echoed across the heavens as it fell, scattering light across the clouds like shattered glass. The world trembled. Hou Yi did not stop. He drew again. And again. And again. With each arrow, another sun fell. The sky slowly darkened, shifting from blinding white to deep blue. The earth cooled. Winds returned. Clouds gathered, heavy with rain that had not fallen in years. Mountains sighed. Rivers remembered their songs. Seeds buried in cracked soil began to stir. 9 suns fell from the sky. When Hou Yi reached for the final arrow, silence covered the heavens. The last sun hovered alone, no longer arrogant, no longer laughing. It trembled, its light softer, more humble. Hou Yi paused. He looked down at the world, fields slowly turning green, people emerging from caves, children touching rain for the first time. He understood something that even gods often forget. Light is a gift. But too much light is cruelty. Slowly, he lowered his bow. One sun would remain. The world did not need eternal brightness. It needed balance. It needed rhythm. It needed night to understand day. The people cried out in joy. They knelt, sang, and told stories of Hou Yi, the archer who stood against the heavens for the sake of mortals. His name traveled across valleys and seas, whispered in prayers and carved into songs. Yet legends rarely end in celebration. By altering the celestial order, Hou Yi changed the balance of heaven itself. His heroism saved the world, but it also drew the gaze of destiny, weaving his name into stories of immortality, love, loss, and the moonlit path of Chang'e. But in this moment, beneath a sky no longer burning, Hou Yi stood quietly, his bow lowered, watching the last sun rise gently over a world that could breathe again. Sometimes, the greatest heroes are not those who create light, but those who know when to dim it. Let this ancient tale linger with you. When life feels too bright, too fast, too overwhelming, remember the archer who taught even the sun to slow down. Until our paths cross again, may your days be warm, your nights be gentle, and every story a quiet companion in the dark.